Oh, your photo with it? Oh, we get a photo over there.
Aside from it being gone, what's wrong? AI like that. Wait, what? Are there no seats?
No, you'll see the seats. There are seats. Yes. Oh, this is. I'm so. Tell him to shut up. Mike, I can't. It's in my pocket. Here. So, we gotta put the seatbelt on.
You are the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
That was incredible.
It's cool, right? Pretty cool.
The screen's
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
And watch your step.
How do we end up back here? Isn't that cool?
That was really good. I didn't expect it to basically do like it did what what's it called? Ministry does. I didn't know it did that.